As indicated by the most recent long-haul estimate, Theta cost will hit $4 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $5 toward the finish of 2025. Theta will ascend to $6 inside the extended time of 2030, $7 in 2031, $8 in 2033, and $9 in 2035. Theta value expectation 2024-2025. Theta cost began in 2024 at $1.28. Today, Theta exchanged at $2.09, so the cost expanded by 63% from the very outset of the year. The Guaj Theta cost toward the finish of 2024 is $6.80 and the year-to-year change plus 431%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 225%. In 2024, we hope to see $4.59 per 1 Theta. In the primary portion of 2025, the Theta cost will move to $9.50. In the last part, the cost would add $1.62 and close the year at $11.12, which is plus 432% to the ongoing cost. Theta expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Theta cost would move from $11.12 to $16.99, which is up 53%. Theta will begin 2026 at $11.12, then, at that point, take off to $11.55 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $12.30. That implies plus 488% from today. Theta expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Theta cost would ascend from $16.99 to $23.86, which is plus 40%. Theta will begin 2031 at $16.99, then, at that point, take off to $18.34 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $9.71. It is about plus 843% from today. J4 120 Theta value expectation 2024-2025. Theta cost began in 2024 at $1.18. Today, Theta exchanged at $3.03, so the cost expanded by 136% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Theta cost toward the finish of 2024 is $9.82 and the year-to-year change plus 666%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 225%. In 2024, we hope to see $6.63 per 1 Theta. In the principal half of 2025, the Theta cost will move to $13.73. In the final part, the cost would add $2.35 and close the year at $16.08, which is plus 432% to the ongoing cost. Theta expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Theta cost would move from $16.08 to $24.58, which is up 53%. Theta will begin 2026 at $16.08, then, at that point, take off to $16.70 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $17.79. That implies plus 488% from today. Theta forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Theta cost would ascend from $24.58 to $34.51, which is plus 40%. Theta will begin 2031 at $24.58, then take off to $26.54 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $28.52. It is about plus 843% from today. J3152 Theta value expectation 2024-2025. Theta cost began in 2024 at $1.18. Today, Theta exchanged at $3.06, so the cost expanded by 139% from the very outset of the year. The Guaj Theta cost toward the finish of 2024 is $5.63 and the year-to-year change plus 339%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 84%. In 2024, we hope to see $5.81 per 1 Theta. In the primary portion of 2025, the Theta cost will move to $7.32. In the last part, the cost would add $32 and close the year at $7.64, which is plus 150% to the ongoing cost. Theta forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Theta cost would move from $7.64 to $9.50, which is up 24%. Theta will begin 2026 at $7.64, then dip to $7.17 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $7.53. That implies plus 146% from today. Theta expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Theta cost would ascend from $9.50 to $12.22, which is plus 29%. Theta will begin 2031 at $9.50. Then, at that point, take off to $10.07 inside the principal half of the year and finish 2031 at $10.50. It is about plus 243% from today. It's 3s are 1, 2s and 4. Theta value expectation 2024-2025. Theta cost began in 2024 at $1.28. Today, Theta exchanged at $1.97, so the cost expanded by 54% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Theta cost toward the finish of 2024 is $3.59, and the year-to-year change plus 180%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 82%. In 2024, we hope to see $3.70 per 1 Theta. In the principal half of 2025, the Theta cost will move to $4.67. In the last part, the cost would add $20 and close the year at $4.87, which is plus 147% to the ongoing cost. Theta expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Theta cost would move from $4.87 to $6.06, which is up 24%. Theta will begin 2026 at $4.87, then dip to $4.57 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $4.80. That implies plus 143% from today. Theta forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Theta cost would ascend from $6.06 to $7.80, which is plus 29%. Theta will begin 2031 at $6.06, then take off to $6.42 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $6.69. It is about plus 239% from today. 2152s into 4. Theta value forecast 2024-2025. Theta cost began in 2024 at $1.28. Today, Theta exchanged at $1.10, so the cost diminished by 14% from the start of the year. The Guaj Theta cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.70 and the year-to-year change plus 111%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 146%. In 2024, we hope to see $1.86 per 1 Theta. In the main portion of 2025, the Theta cost will move to $3.16. In the final part, the cost would add $12 and close the year at $3.18, which is plus 199% to the ongoing cost. Theta forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Theta cost would move from $3.28 to $4.87, which is up 48%. Theta will begin 2026 at $3.28. Then, at that point, take off to $3.49 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $3.06. That implies plus 179% from today.